two cars earlier. Medyo matagal since the last time that we cleaned it, so kaya medyo nakakapagod. Masakit sa arms and sa legs. And then we had lunch. So yung leftover na beef nila, yung kinain namin kanina. And then Faith and I are on our way to the shops because we need to get ourselves a new fridge because our fridge is seems like it's not working anymore. So yeah, and then hopefully they'll be able to deliver it tomorrow.
Baka Monday.
Monday.
Business day namin Monday.
Okay, well, let's hope for the best. Waitress. So na kami sa Bingley. So as you can see, we're checking on the different fridges. And we got ourselves this one. So it's a 400-liter Samsung fridge. It's quite big. Yeah. So that's the fridge that we got. It's gonna be delivered tomorrow. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Wait, this is nice, Faith. Let's buy this one. Ta-da! We have got our new fridge. Let's have a look. So this is the 400-liter fridge. So that's the freezer there. This is the one at the bottom. So as per the gentleman, kind of mentioned to wait 2 hours before turning the whole thing on. And it's now 12:20, so time starts now. Ta-da! After 4 hours, I've turned on the fridge. I know the delivery guy said just do it for 2 hours, but just to be on the safe side, I waited for 4 hours. And I've turned on the fridge and I put the things back to where it should be. So good thing we don't have much meat. At least hindi natin masyado siyang pinroblema. So I still got the couple of tubs of ice cream there. I've put my meat here in a container. I've got a couple of meat pies, like this one is some noodles, and then a pre-made pizza over there, and I got some chips, some gel packs, and some vegetables, and the red chili over there. So that's for the freezer. This is for the fridge. Alright. So medyo bare pa yung laman ng fridge namin. So on the top we've got the ube ensaymada from Goldilocks that I got from Good Luck Plaza, and then Faith's Toblerone in there. Next shelf is the homemade tapa that we did, and then next shelf is a couple of things for halo-halo on your left hand side. The milk, some sauces there, you've got the bagoong, and down below we've got a couple of bottles of the Coke and the Sprite, a couple of bottles of Crown, and then I've got the bok choy, a couple of lemons, and a carrot just at the bottom there. And on the door side, so we've got eggs, and then some chocolates over here. My baking butter is on that side with the cream cheese, and this one is the butter that we use for our bread. Some mayonnaise, a couple of pitchers of water, and some vodka cruiser over there with sweet Trappist Guinness there. Well, I gave it to Faith. So that's it. That's our fridge. There you go. Perfect.